Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Shanen again. As what you can see on the title, I'll be testing out cheap makeup products from Shopee or gandang Shopee. I'll be taking one for the team na guys. But if you're going to ask me,
Ate Shanen, hindi ka ba natatakot kasi most of the products that you're going to try are from China?
honestly, natatakot ako guys. I have a very sensitive skin. Kinakabahan talaga ako. Pero, curious din akong malaman na kahit mura sila, are they still really worth every penny?
Yung mga products na gagamitin ko ngayon, I have already gave you an overview on my last Shopee haul.
Pero kung curious kayong malaman kung gaano sila ka-okay as a makeup product, just keep watching!
Gusto ko lagi na-flip yung hair ko.
So this is what it looks like when I received this foundation palette. Akala ko nung una full size siya, pero mali ako or deceiving lang talaga yung picture na nilagay nila na tipong parang ang laki-laki ng palette na to. Ayan lang siya guys kung titingnan nyo.
And yung mga pan niya, parang ka-size niya lang yung Eyeshadow Festival Palette from Eyeline.
Ang bahala ko kasi dapat dito sa foundation palette na to is dito ko nakukunin
Yung foundation ko, yung concealer, and then the contour.
and hindi ako sure kung ang isang pan magkakasya na sa buong mukha ko. Parang siguro ang nose ko lang ang malalagyan ng foundation nitong. Change of plan tayo guys kasi after swatching the pans that I think can pass as my shade, wala sa kanilang nag-work.
So what I will just be using is the foundation that I have. It's the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Definition in the shade Natural.
So sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, ang gagawin ko na lang dito is I'll be using this palette for my contour and concealer. I'll be using this shade. Kahit sobrang white niya. Oh my god. Wow! Wow! Blendable. My thoughts on using this palette as a concealer, from this angle, makikita nyo na I hit the pan already on this particular shade. And ginamit ko lang siya as a concealer. So, how much more kung gagamitin ko siya as a foundation? Siguro, ubos na itong pan na to.
Nose ko pa lang yung natatakluban ng foundation.
With regards to this concealer's performance, I don't see any pigmentation it has given on my face. I can still see through my dark circles and my pimples, lalo na dito, are still peeking through. Anyway guys, I think I forgot to mention where is this product from. So this is from the brand called Popfeel, which is I am very unfamiliar with.
And kahit ilang beses nyo siyang balik-tarin, walang indication na this is from Popfeel, walang ingredients.
So the next product that I will be using is from Focallure Oil-Free Setting Powder in the shade 01. Ayan, nasa itaas ng box yung shade. And it says here the expiration would be on December 19, 2020. And this is cruelty-free and this will last for 24 months after opening. Nandito na yung ingredients na kanina kong hinihingi sa foundation palette. Let's see its performance. Buksan natin. Wait. Yun. Ay! 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 Tumama yung gunting sa electric fan ko. Oh, ang cute niya! Ay, ang cute! So, ito si Fashion 21 ko. Tapos, ito si Focallure.
Although 165 pesos to, and I think ito is 150 to 199 pesos. Wala pang 200.
Let's open this baby up. Ayun, ang cute, cute, cute niya. Yan. Focallure face. And, oh wow! Ang fluffy nung sponge niya. Ayan, may sticker siya. Para lang siyang your usual setting powder. Ayan yung itsura niya. Pero mas cute na setting powder kasi ang liit-liit niya lang. I'll be baking my whole face nga pala, guys. When it comes to the powder naman, ang sarap niya guys. Alam mo yung feeling na para kang naglalagay ng Johnson's Baby Powder na sobrang firm ng pagkaka-powder niya, which is what I like. This feels so lightweight, sobra. Ayan, kahit akong mukhang multo, let's push through with our kilay. While the powder is setting, I will be using this MTK 3D Eyebrow Auto Pencil and Long Lasting.
Pinabasa ko yung mga information sa likod and parang, mali-mali yung grammar nila.
Hindi ko maintindihan kasi ang sabi dito, use a period of 12 months after open. Or parang gusto nilang sabihin is 12 months maglalast yung product, pero may nakalagay din dito na shelf life would last for 3 years. Ayan yung nasa likod. Ang cute, no? Holographic. So, ayun, may kasama siyang brush. Okay naman yung brush, pero para lang siyang masyadong matigas, kaya minsan ang sakit gamitin. Nandito sa kabilang to yung eyebrow nila. So, ititwist mo lang siya para makakuha ka ng product. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba? I-swatch natin.
Oh, nice. Okay siya ha. Okay siya sa akin.
Pero let's see if this will work on me. So, using this retractable eyebrow product from MTK, what I have noticed is that kailangan kong pagpatung-patungan yung paglalagay para lang makover yung scar na meron ako dito. And then, okay siyang gamitin. May pagkawaksi lang talaga, kaya kailangan ko muna siyang i-perfect out using a concealer. Tapos, ang napansin ko din sa kanya, guys, nung nilagay ko siya sa eyebrows ko, para siyang nag-color red. Ayan, sobrang layo ng pagkakaswatch ko compared sa nasa eyebrow ko na yung product. Out of all the products that I will be reviewing for this video,
So this is what I'm really excited about.
I have here Focallure Your Favors 18 Eyeshadow Palette. Ayan yung itsura niya. Nandito sa likod yung ingredients, descriptions, and yung product description. Siguro ito yung sinasabing name ng palette, 01 Bright Luxe. This will last for 24 months after opening, and good thing na cruelty-free siya. And this will expire on February 1st, 2021. Wow, ang tagal niya. Wow. Wow. Tapos yung nasa loob niya. Ah! Ang ganda naman, no?
Ay, wow! Finally! Meron akong ganito.
Ayan, kung makikita nyo dito, meron siyang
2, 4, 6,
10 shades na matte and
8. 2, 4, 6.
8 shades naman na glittery. So, mag-swatch tayo. Swatch natin si Tofi.
Wow, ang smooth niya.
Oh! Terracotta.
Ang smooth niya.
Wow! So, let's try carbon.
Try naman natin mag-swatch ng glitter shade.
Wow. Buong-buo yung pagka-glitter niya, as in.
I reapplied this setting powder from Focallure para just in case powder yung gagamitin nating eyeshadow palette, hindi naman masisira yung makeup natin.
So, magvo-voice over na lang ako para mas mabilis. For my crease, I will be applying the shade Indian Red. Then, yung shade naman na Tofi, gamit ang brush na to, I'm not really sure kung ano nga bang tawag dito. Pero, ilalagay ko siya sa outer V ko. Tapos, idadrag ko na din siya all over my crease. Parang ihahalo ko lang siya sa Indian Red. Yung shimmery shade na Ruby, it will be all over my lids.
Kaya nga lang, how I wish merong kasamang salmen itong eyeshadow palette na to.
Tapos, yung Moonlight na shade served as my highlighter. Then, on my lower lash line, pinaghalo ko lang si Indian Red tsaka si shade na Tofi para mas colorful.
So, that's it for my eyeshadow. Again, I used this
This Focallure We Care Your Favors 18 Shades Full Function Palette.
ang haba ng kanyang pangalan. Ayan yung eye makeup that I was able to come up with. Sobrang ganda ng color selection nitong palette na to. Blendable, buildable.
So, okay na okay siya para sa akin.
Next naman, for my eyeliner, I will be using this Donna's eyeliner. Everything is written in Chinese, pero parang nakikita ko dito na manufacturing date niya is February 8, 2018 and expiry date would be February 7th, 2021.
Wala akong mabasa na English part, only the name of the brand.
Felt tip applicator. And sobrang liquidy. Ayan. Parang ang tagal niyang matuyo. Sobrang stiff nung applicator niya, guys. scrappy application yung eyeliner, hindi siya naging makalat.
Kasi akala ko magiging makalat siya. Nung sinwatch ko, sobrang liquidy. Pero good thing naman, nasa eyes ko, nung hindi siya naging makalat.
Pero, ang pangit lang ng pagkaka-angle ko ng aking eyeliner. Contour naman tayo. So, ito na lang gagamitin ko yung nasa gitna. Not bad for a contour shade. If you're going to ask me guys, without considering the amount this contour shade has sa panya, okay siyang pang contour actually. Hindi siya mahirap i-blend.
Kaya, yeah, I might recommend this one.
And for the blush, I will be using this Focallure multi-use refill pan in the shade B06 or Charisma. It's cruelty-free. Tapos, this will last for 24 months after opening and will expire on December 17, 2020.
Ito guys, akala ko din, full size din siya. Yun pala.
Maliit lang. Yan. Parang refill lang siya. Let's see kung okay ba to sa makeup look that I have right now. Parang tone down naman yung pagka-shade niya. Ni Charisma. Ooh, look at that. So, si Charisma may pagka-peachy yung shade niya, which is okay for me. Wala pa akong peachy shade na blush.
I will be keeping this on my collection.
And again, hindi din siya mahirap i-blend. So far, okay yung mga Focallure products na nakikita ko. So the highlighter that I have here is from Miss Rose Professional Makeup Shimmer Highlighter in the shade 04. And nandito yung mga ingredients sa likod. Manufacturer. Tapos, 24 months after opening din siya.
Ito yung sinasabi ko sa haul na para siyang J-Cat.
With one application, parang, ano lang siya, subtle highlight lang yung binibigay niya. Ay, okay naman pala siya as a highlight. Akala ko nung una sobrang subtle lang. Pero okay na okay pala siya.
Sorry guys, I have to change the angle kasi ubos na yung memory ng isa kong phone.
Pero ayan, oh, may highlight pala talaga siyang nabibigay.
Akala ko nung una, sobrang subtle pero ang ganda pala niya.
Gusto ko kasi yung mga blinding highlighter.
Ay, ang ganda niya talaga. Highlight poppin'. I like it.
I bought a lipstick from the brand Handaiyan or Handaiyan in the shade number 12.
So, wala din ako maintindihan dito sa likod kasi puro Chinese.
Although meron nakalagay na ingredients dito sa side, hindi naka-indicate. Ay! Expiry date, January 24, 2021. In fairness, ang haba ng expiry date ng mga products na ginamit ko ngayon. May chocolate. So, ayan. Ito si shade number 12 and isa-swatch ko sa inyo, guys. Para siyang brown na mauve, pero apply natin to sa ating lips. In fairness, ang haba ng hawakan niya. My thoughts on this Handaiyan or Handaiyan liquid lipstick, matte finish siya. Tapos, ang dali niya lang ilagay sa lips. Alam mo yun, parang dire-diretso ka lang na hindi ka mag-worry na baka lumampas ka kasi sobrang smooth ng application na magagawa mo pag ginamit mo tong Handaiyan liquid lipstick. It's a bit sticky pala guys, so if someone na hindi mo gusto yung pagka-sticky ng isang liquid lipstick, then this lipstick is not for you. Ayan oh, sobrang sticky siya. I like the shade, however, it won't match the eye makeup look that I have on right now. So, all in all guys, ayan, hindi man naging balance yung liquid lipstick ko and the eye makeup that I have on right now. Nagustuhan ko and nag-enjoy ako sa pag-film ng video na to. So, that's it for today's video guys. That's it for trying cheap makeup products from Shopee. Nag-enjoy ako. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed filming this video for you guys. If you have questions,
lagay niyo lang sa description. Ay, hindi pala kayo makakapaglagay ng question sa description box.
I mean, ilagay niyo yung mga questions nyo sa comment section below. I'd be more than happy to answer it for you guys. Or kahit ano, anything, kwentuhan tayo. And yeah, that's just basically it.
Pagpasensya niyo na kung ang makeup ko ay over sa eye makeup at over sa lipstick. Kung
See you again on my next video. Bye!